All right, so my friend, or my boss actually, used to work in a movie theater, and he has a stack of these, and he mailed me 2 unopened, direct from the movie theater, ancient mews. I'm gonna open one of them, and I took a bunch of time inspecting the back to find the one that's the least damaged. The other one has a little kink on the card, but this one looks really good. And so I'm gonna open it up, and I am going to seal it up in a nice case, and I'm shaking because I've never opened a card like this. Also just drank a ton of coffee. All right. So these direct from the movie theater here. Oh yeah, that bad boy looks good. So I'm gonna get both of these in cases, and I'm gonna send this one to be out to be graded. In the hopes that I magically pull a 10. Fuck, I'm nervous. This will actually be the first card I ever get graded. It's a little dirty. This one I bought on eBay, the Charizard over there. Oh yeah. Now it's safe. Look at that. Oh man, that holo's dope. It's really straight. Oh, nope, it's definitely off-center printing. Very disappointing. All right, well, it's not a 10, neither is the other one. Maybe I'll buy more. Maybe this one will just be in my collection forever. Let's put this thing in its own case too. So there we are. I don't know how old that is. 2000. I think the year 2000 this came out. Maybe 2001. So it's like 23 to 24 years old. And I still have this other sealed one. Though it does, you can even see it right there. There's the little crease on the card. All right.